So, hello everyone, and myself Dinesh on behalf of Team IGC. So, we'll discuss first few things about this 2022 result. Okay, and then we will discuss all the possible options we have after GATE 2022. So, first about result, you all have done good or even very good, and many of you have put lot much efforts than I know. Some of you may not have got up to that expectation, but it's still not to worry, because in the end your 3 hours of efforts matters irrespective of your knowledge. So from IGC, in top 10 we have 4 students, and in top 135 students, one less than last time. So last year we had 36 students, and currently we have 35 students. Okay, so if you see, this result is good from institute's perspective, but I am not satisfied with this result because my idea was to get more than 50 students, and some of you very good students missed, a very good rank. So that is still is giving me sadness, but nevertheless, IGC will keep supporting you guys, whoever has put sincere efforts, and I know them very well, their efforts. Okay, so not to worry. We will plan very well. Okay, that is what promise of IGC with you all. Okay, and of course, GATE 2023 and 2024 admissions are open. And if you see the result, you can see this is the result. So here the complete result is authentic. Okay, and all the details are shared here. The student names, their alma institutes, their respective rank. So now we will move to main part. So what we can do with this GATE score or valid GATE score achieved. So guys, first thing which you can do is what higher studies in India or abroad. Okay, or you can opt a different kind of courses, as we keep discussing, like Mtech or ME course. You can do MS or Mtech research. So this Mtech or ME course is a 2-year program. Okay, and this Mtech or Mtech research is like 2 to 3 year. Okay, then you can do masters of design. Okay, this is available in some of the IITs and in ISC Bangalore. You can also do direct PhD, like Mr. Sivam has provided inside. Okay, in fact, direct PhD is offered by many IITs and including ISC Bangalore. Okay, I know personally one guy from Aerospace. Uh, he opted direct PhD in ISC Bangalore. And I also know one guy from Aerospace. He got a PM scholarship, okay, and he joined IIT Kanpur. And I want to share with IIEST guys. IIEST guys, he is the super senior of you guys, okay? That particular person who got PM scholarship in IIT Kanpur. Okay, he was of course top 10 ranker. So if you have planned to get a very good scholarship and do quality research, this can be a very good option. And then also you can do management courses like PGDM from Nitech, NITI Mumbai. You can also do MS like in IIT Madras. There is a department of management studies. There you can do MS in management and humanities. For that, GATE score is valid. You can also do FPM from different IIMs. Okay, but in IIMs, those courses are of 5 years. So if you have such interest, you can go in the different direction. You can also do your masters abroad, specifically with GATE score from Germany and Singapore. And from IGC, we have seen our student have got admission in Germany also, in Singapore also. In last 3 years we have seen. So if you are not having money problem, and if you are having a good valid gate score, then definitely you guys plan for Germany or Singapore. Singapore, of course, it's costlier compared to Germany. So these are the courses mainly you guys can find after this your valid gate score. Now further I have divided this in different categories. So the first thing guys here is what all different courses we can have. So if you see, there are plenty of the courses or area. So we have discussed about the courses. Now the different areas. So the areas, since we most of you are aerospace guys, so the if you want to go in a technical areas, the areas are like aerodynamics, aeropropulsion, aerostructure, flight physics or control. Then these are the core aerospace area. But these core aerospace area are the applied areas or derived from basic mechanical, okay, mechanical engineering. So even if you do any course from mechanical engineering in the related domain, it's well and good. Nothing more different at the higher study level. So if you see the fluid machinery, turbo machinery, machine design, fluid and thermal engineering, you'll find more of the higher studies work or areas will be overlapping with your core aerospace engineering. Then you can also do your higher studies in CA related courses, CAD, CAM, in mathematical simulation, energy studies, atmospheric sciences, applied sciences, computational sciences. There are so many areas in which you can start your future work or pursuing your masters or pursuing your a PhD kind of work. Okay. Apart from that, you can also go in non-technical areas, as I already told, in humanities and management courses, in industrial engineering. Okay. So these are the different areas, where you can plan your higher studies. Then the next thing is like I have divided institutes in different tier. So tier 1 institutes, of course, ISC Bangalore and different IITs, or you can see NITI Mumbai if you are planning studies in management, or IIMs if you are having 5 year flexibility of studying something from IIMs. Okay. And what are different courses here? You all know we have Mtech 2 year programs, Mtech research or MS program of 2 to 3 years. Then ME, some institute says, okay, or Masters of Design integrated PhD. PhD anyway is not applicable if you have not done masters. And then FPM and then PGDM. Okay, so these are the courses, and the important link is what COAP. Specifically, if you are planning for Mtech 2 year program, all the offer will be coming through COAP. The now next will be very important for you all is what this. So the first preference from my suggestion should be always this. So these are the tier 1 premier institutes and various courses. So the first is like all of you should prefer Mtech 2 year program until unless you are very passionate about research. Okay. So if you are really good in research or you have some kind of experience doing publishing research paper or spending time in research, then only you guys should go for other courses. Otherwise, if you are just looking for higher studies and looking for a comfortable job, or if you want to plan your further research work later, then you should go Mtech 2 year program. But again, here competition is more. the better ranker choose for this year program, because this is first available to them. So here, if you see the option wise, if you want core aerospace work or core aerospace courses, then these are available in these four places, and another these four, 8 places. So in these four plus four, what is the difference? If you join ISC Bangalore, you'll not have your particular domain specified at upfront. For Mtech 2 year, it will be common Mtech in aerospace engineering. Same is the case with IIT Madras, IIT Kharagpur, but in IIT Hyderabad also it is same, and in IIT Hyderabad also Mtech in aerospace engineering available. Okay, but if you move to IIT Bombay, IIT Kanpur, or IIT Guwahati, or IIT Indore, you have to choose a specific area. Like in Bombay, out of this, like propulsion, aerodynamics, or structures, control. Okay, so you have to choose out of these four in the preference wise. So you guys take care of that. And if you ask me job wise, so the job number of jobs are in core. If you ask, anyway, jobs when you are in IIT, don't worry about jobs and all. Definitely you'll have many options, but core jobs are more in India, specifically in structures and control. Okay, then like aerodynamics and propulsion, also core jobs are there, but there are some limitations. Okay, but if you work hard, definitely you will be rewarded with a good core job. Now here, so you guys can understand the difference between these these institutes and these particular institutes. Okay, upfront you will be having a particular domain, and you will doing courses related to that domain itself. But apart from these 8 institute, you also have courses which is related with aerospace, like applied mechanics courses, or mechanical related courses, or atmospheric and energy science related courses. So if your rank is on lower side, okay, or you can say closer to 100 or above 100, you all must apply in these institutes also, like IIT Delhi for applied mechanics, or atmospheric sciences, or energy sciences. Okay, 2 year program. Same IIT Bhubaneswar. Then you guys can also apply these new IITs like IIT Ropar, Gandhinagar, Jodhpur, or IIT Patna, Mandi, Varanasi is the old IIT. Okay, but specifically you have reservation of kind of like SC/ST or OBC or EWS, because in these reservation category there also reservation is there in all other institutes. So there are chances you can get 2 year program. But if you are in general, of course it will be tough, because mechanical people will have higher gate score, even with rank kind of 3,000 4,000 rank. Also at that rank also they may have a very good score, and this year gate mechanical score is good. Okay, if you compare marks to gate score for gate mechanical is also good this time, if you compare with last year. So they will have more chances to get in, but still you those are category people, they should apply. Now in IIT Indore specifically, as I shared some days back, there is a course in space technology. So guys, even if you may not be that interested in this course, possibly, but still I'll suggest, if your rank is not safe, please apply this and opt this course. Okay, without thinking much. Okay, I will suggest opt this course without thinking much, because it's again a core aerospace course. So let's do your masters there, and definitely there will be plenty of the options, specifically abroad. Okay, and in future in India may as well. So that is what. And some people were asking, what is the scope of energy sciences and atmospheric sciences? Yeah, review is quite good. They work a lot in mathematics and data science kind of work or analytical work. So job opportunities are good. Okay. Yeah, I know the people who have already passed from IIT Bhubaneswar and obtained good job. Okay. So what? So is this clear, guys? Any concern or any doubt? You guys can write in chat box on this first preference. Let me check where is the chat. Yeah. So why I am saying this should be the first preference? Anyone has any concern on that? Okay. Anyway, here limitations are there due to gate score. Everyone cannot get this. Yeah. So that's another good thing. Till what rank approximately we should apply for Mtech? Everyone must apply. Okay. Everyone must apply. Okay. Yes, without thinking much, Arjun, you will have two options. Yes, IIT, that's what I'm saying, Arjun. If you do in space field, definitely you will go abroad. Okay, you'll have lot many opportunity in Europe or US. In India, can be also in a organization like ISRO. Okay, but not to worry more about that. There is another substitute option. Yeah, we will discuss a bit slowly one by one. So if you have substitute is also there in IST Trivandrum also there is a master's in space and astronautics and astrophysics, something like that. Okay. What is the IIA? IIA, I am not sure what is that IIA. Indian Institute of Astrophysics in Bangalore, right? I think there is one institute in Bangalore in Kormangla. I was there, so I know. I have not known much about that. I think it's good. They offer PhD. Okay, yeah. First do masters. Let's do either in IIT Indore or in IIST Trivandrum. So PhD is big commitment. I will not put in my preference list. Okay. Yeah, we will go next. Yeah, we'll go to that. Yeah. So like guys, next move to next suggestion from my side. Yeah. So next come on list is what? Mtech research or MS. Of course, this course is tougher than 2 year program. It takes usually 2 to 3 years. But if you are not having choice of 2 year program, or if you are keen to do research like Vishwas, you want to do MS only, right? Yeah. So if you are keen to do MS or research, then this course is really good. In IGC last year also we had one guy, Mr. Abhishek Goyal. He chose Mtech research over Mtech, and earlier also Mr. Akshay sir, who support for propulsion, he chose Mtech research over Mtech. Because he had two Mtech option, either one from IIT Kharagpur and one from IIT Madras, but he's chosen Mtech research in ISC. Okay. So this is what the second on list. So here, guys, if you look, the options available currently for Mtech or MS research directly with aerospace related courses is in ISC Bangalore, IIT Madras, IIT Kanpur, IIT Hyderabad, IIT Guwahati have only in energy studies, I think. And then in this IIT Indore also, there is an option for Mtech research or MS. Okay. So guys, what happens if you see old IITs, if you go to old IITs, okay, in old IITs or ISC Bangalore, cutoff is high. Okay, nowadays cutoffs are high. So guys, cutoffs are high. That's only one worry. Even if you apply, may get call for this Mtech research or MS or may not. But definitely the requirement will be not that high in terms of gate score. So if you have reasonable gate scores of like 550 plus or 600 plus, there are good chances you will get a call. Okay, with EWS and OBC category or even in general. General usually it goes more in old IITs. Cutoff goes high. Okay, for particular this session. Okay, cutoff goes quite high. Okay, but still I say you all must apply, and it varies department to department, guys. Again I'm saying, if you take mechanical and aerospace, cutoff may be high, but there are other department. If you take IIT Madras itself, there are plenty of the options, like you can do in ocean, okay, or you can do in applied mechanics department. Even aero guy can do in civil department. Okay, like that there are plenty of the options, or you can do in other department. So the cutoff varies department by department. And another point I want to tell you here, the admission process is different in Mtech and MS. Okay, Mtech research and MS, you have to apply in every department or wherever you want. Okay, separately applications will be more. You have to apply it more number of times. Even in one IIT you have to multiply department wise. So this is one thing. Now before some people may get one thing which I want to tell all of you is should start earning, because if you are fourth year student, you will be passing engineering. So the idea of this session to tell you all of you should start earning 12,400 stipend. Okay, because you all have a valid gate score. I will give all possible options, or you can start earning 35,000 per month. Okay, even if you are not interested, after 1 year you leave that course and prepare better and join the course of your interest. But currently your idea is to or your goal should be like that, you should start earning 12,400 rupees per month, which is the stipend or a scholarship. That is possible mostly if you opt any particular course in any government college or wherever you get this MHRD scholarship, or if you opt this direct PhD, you will be getting a stipend of 35,000 per month. Okay, simply sitting at home is not the suggestion I am going to tell you, give you guys, or any fellow from IGC. That's not the idea. Okay, so of course your next 2 3 months will be very important for all of you. Okay, in terms of at least getting one or two options, because you all have a valid gate score, so let's use it in best way. Yeah, so this is about this. Now you can also have MS courses, which as per my information, these are the tier 1 institutes, like in IIT Delhi, in applied mechanics department, or in other department also. In IIT Mandi also MS course is available, or in Bangalore, this is Jawaharlal Nehru Center for Advanced Research. So there also MS course is there. So there are plenty of the places where you can apply for these research courses if you are not having a safe rank to get a MTech 2 year program. So this is what. Okay. Now, if you go to next, which will be based on your choice, is what? This is not the preferred. Yeah, Sayan, we will discuss on that also. Yeah. So another premium institute, but it is on choice. So in choice, like you have integrated Mtech plus PhD program, or if you are doing PGDM, like a few years back, one of the topper of Aerospace, AR1, has chosen which institute? You guys know the AR1, I think in 2019, has chosen NITI Mumbai. Okay, because in NITI Mumbai, the packages are quite high when they pass from that institute. So, how many of you are aware of this NITI Mumbai? No, COIP is not there, Mr. Hemant. I told na MTech research and MS are not under COAP. Even in a particular institute, you have to apply multiple applications for every department wherever you want to apply for that. Okay. So, of course, if you are ready, can go for IIMs for this FPM program. So these are on choice part. Yeah, categories also play role. Okay, they don't tell, but category is also there, but you have to perform well in that interview. The first prof should be ready. The professor should be ready. They will give marks for everything. Then there will be some category based seat. Actually, it will come in that itself. Call itself will be based on category. How many seats they allot for category. So based on that, they will call the number of people. Yeah, there is no problem in leaving a MS research or a PhD within a year. I have seen the two scientists in IGC team itself. They have left either MS research course or a particular institute. Okay, one of our sir has left DIIT after 1 year, and one has left MS Ocean, and both of them are scientists, and both of them have done their masters from IIT after leaving those institutes. Now tell me what is the issue in that. So are these examples sufficient or not? Do you need more or better example than these guys? Because here live examples are there. Okay, not to think more. My idea is very simple. You should not be on your fate. Don't sit at home. Okay, go get in one institute. Okay, yeah, counseling is, what is the counseling means what? Okay, we will discuss on that point. See, the idea is very simple. Let's use this gate score. Okay, you want to prepare again if your rank is not good, or if you are not satisfied with your result. I am saying yes, we will work together. We will try to get better result of your choice, but not simply sitting at home. Is this point clear to everyone? I'll not suggest to anyone simply sit at home and prepare again for GATE if you are having a valid GATE score. Okay, let's move on that. Next point. Okay, yeah. Now, Tier 2 institutes. So, what is the Tier 2 institutes in India? IST Trivandrum, they offer masters. Okay. Then DIIT Pune is there. In IST Trivandrum, of course, course is good, everything is good, but placement is concerned, campus placement. Okay. So, but no worry. I have seen one of my student, maybe way back around down the line 8 years back or 10 years back. Now she's working in Boeing, and many other people got succeeded after even doing masters from IST Trivandrum. So another institute is DIIT Pune. Of course, there again the concern is a campus placement. But other institute than that, here, you will see directly aerospace related courses are there. But if you take other central institutes like NITs or central universities, direct aerospace courses are not there. Okay, so there what you can do, of course, you can choose the courses like fluid and thermal engineering, machine design related courses, which are directly, kind of aerospace course like in structures or in propulsion or aerodynamics like that. Or there are other courses also there where your gate A score is valid. You can check those details in the CCMT portal. Okay, and use these scores. Okay, so these are the institute, and there are many more institute. The CCMT portal is very good. They gives lot much informations like the previous year's cutoff, which courses, what is the gate score valid, like stream wise. So you guys explore this, the CCMT portal. You'll get the good information on that. Yeah. Now, the third preference, this was the preference, yeah, tier 2 preference wise. So, what should be preference you should give? So, you can give the IST Trivandrum in the highest preference, okay, and of course, up to 200 rank in general, generally up around 150 rank also in general they get. But nowadays in IST Trivandrum also, sometime cutoff goes high. But if you are having category, mostly with a reasonable rank, you will get IST Trivandrum up to 300 rank kind of, because this year gate scores are good. Yeah, IST no, IST won't take admission through CCMT. CCMT is only NITs and other central institute. IST has independent admission process, same way like DIIT Pune as well. But if you take NIT Surat, this triple IIT DM Kanchipuram, there are good courses like we were discussing na CPDM department in ISC Bangalore. So such courses are there. Okay, so and A gate score is valid in triple IIT DM courses. So guys can opt for that. No, no. DIT also comes under CCMT now. Yeah, I'm not sure. Yes. In NIT Surat, which course na? Turbo machinery. I know plenty of the people who succeeded from NIT Surat. Turbo machinery, our favorite gas turbine. Okay. Sir, which college come under the COIP? IITs. I shared link na. IITs and that too Mtech 2-year program. Okay, good. Then DIT is also going under CCMT. Good. So you'll get all the, yeah. How about, yeah, in DIT the best course is what department is mathematics department, mathematical simulation, data science, very good courses. I say in DIT go for mathematical simulation over these aero related courses. That is what I suggest. And I have seen one student working in AIML, Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning from DIT, our IGC student. Okay. Nitte, no one has joined from IGC till now. But the cutoff goes very high. What is the gate score, Shreya, you have? You have a really good gate score? Okay. I will find out if anyone can. No, with candidate who is in NET, he is not IGC student, Shreya. Okay. Yeah, UAV and guided missile is not that great courses, because nowadays this DRDO themselves do not hire from there. So you have to search job in open market. So mathematics, simulation, data sciences, these are the good courses from DIT. So guys, clear? You can opt any NITs. Okay, I have seen the many successes from NITs also. My friends and all those here, those old, so here you can opt like NIT Trichy, NIT Allahabad, NIT Surat, NIT Warangal. It should be there in CCMT if they have taken last year admission from CCMT. I'll check if I get more details on that. Yeah, 600 rank. I will discuss on that part. So now come to if you are just valid gate score. So what should do? So if you are having valid gate score, then you should at least opt any state government college. If you are in like if you are working, then you should not leave job. If you are working, then you should not leave job. That's what I will say. You can put efforts again while working. Okay, but if you are not doing anything, then my suggestion, even you can join IIEST Sipur. There are two master's courses available in fluid mechanics and solid mechanics in IIEST Sipur. And I have seen those guys, like some of my friends, those old days, they have done masters. They are working now in good companies. That Abhishek, you have to check in IIT Palakkad or in other IITs also. That like IIT, this there now, new Tirupati. So all these you guys can check. I am not sure. Yeah, yeah. Interdisciplinary courses will have test and interview. Yes, yes, Akash. They will do. Okay, so if you are having valid gate score, you definitely check IIEST Sipur, MIT Chennai, or BITS Mesra. I'm not sure they provide stipend or not in BITS Mesra, but the aerospace related course is there. You guys can check. There is one college, Visvesvaraya Institute of Advanced Technology, Bangalore. That can be also option. There is one very good institute in Bangalore where they send us every year mail. Energy Institute, Bangalore. It comes under Rajiv Gandhi Petroleum Institute of Technology, that Rai Bareli, I think. So these are the options. So here, not to worry, you can join any government college, okay, and you can do your masters, okay, either like in thermal engineering. If aerospace is not there, you can do it in machine design, or you can do in energy sciences. Okay, like if your rank is too high, like 400, 500, but still your score is valid. So why I am saying you, at least you will be earning 12,400. You will be busy. Okay, you will not have negativity and you will have N2. Like you will be meeting people there. There will be some courses. So this is what I suggest. Okay, and why I suggest, you guys can prepare again for GATE in case if your rank is high and you want to get still in IIT or a very good course. Nobody stop you to preparation. And again, if you are looking in future some government job, gate score helps many times. If you are looking for PhD also in later in future, gate score is mandatory. So preparing for gate is fine, but as I told, simply don't sit at home and do that. Okay, fine. So let's move to next part. Apart from these, what I want to cover little bit about higher studies abroad. As I told you guys, definitely if you are not having money problem, please, I will suggest don't put one more year in India. What I suggest, if you are not having money problem, guys, go Germany. Now COVID is not that much problem, or you COVID is under control. I suggest, if you can go abroad, go abroad. Okay, life will be beautiful. anyway, many of you will aspire after passing from IIT to go abroad. So you can definitely get in RWHTH, Aachen, or Technical University of Germany. You have to start working on that, or you can also get in Nanyang Technological University NTU, where aerospace department is there. And you can check about this another university, National University of Singapore. I'm not sure where aerospace related course is there or not. Okay, so this is about study abroad. Okay, now the next part is how to prepare for this Mtech. Yeah, there is no cutoff, Arjun. If you want to go in those university, they ask more than 90 percentile in GATE. That is what they have written. So compared to IITs, yeah, you can do masters in IITs. It's a sasta, cheaper. Okay, outside it will be bit costlier. But scope wise, Europe and US is still always better, right? We Indians, chase Western dream, right? Life is not that struggling there. After all, life is quite smoother there, but homesickness will be there. Clear, Aishwarya? There, study environment is different. Not like India. We are more theoretical people. So they are practical oriented people, lot much industry and academia participations. Things are very different. Okay, we had last year some talks from by our abroad friends, like by one Pratik sir. He has done talk from US, one from Australia. Coming days we will arrange talks from UK also. Our friends are there. Okay, so life is quite different, guys. Yeah. So now how to prepare for interviews. So already discussed quite number of time. So first you have to specify one of the areas. It depends, Abir. It depends professor to professor. But in IIT Madras, lot much participation is there in from industry. In ISC Bangalore also, see what I suggest, I will tell practically. If you see in all the premier institute, there are both kind of people. There are academic based research also, and industry kind of work is also there, but not in that scale like US universities and other. But in IIT Madras, many startups are coming from IIT Madras. Okay, nowadays, IIT Madras has its own research park. Yeah, we will discuss on that, Mr. Arjun. Yeah, so in IIC Bangalore also, there are department like Robert Bosch department is there and some other department. Okay, so participation is there in India, but yeah, apart from Agnikul also, there are more startup. Okay, you will be knowing Ether. What is that scooter? Ether, something like electrical scooter founders also there. Many are there. Even my known friends also who have done PhD from there, they have started a startup. Okay, so now come to this. Quickly, we'll go one by one. This MS or MTech research interview. So, guys, first you choose your any specific area of interest, and then start preparing or reading for that. So if you choose aerodynamics, you must read well mathematics basics, fluid mechanics basics, aerodynamics basics, and gas dynamics basics, like that. Mainly the gas dynamics they may not ask, but at least you should cover this mathematics, fluid, and aerodynamics if you are looking for aerodynamics as your research area. Propulsion, then again mathematics is common, thermodynamics, gas dynamics, propulsion. Okay, and if you choose structures, then mathematics is again common. Then you have to emphasize on SOM, all basics, vibration, and they may ask or may not something from thin wall structures also. If you choose control and system, then again mathematics will be common. Mechanics would be good. and you need to know the basics flight mechanics part well. So like that, you have to specify one of the area. Now, since you guys are aero, but don't afraid, applying for MS in fluid mechanics or thermal sciences or in machine design, because I know many of my friends, they have done MS in applied mechanics department in IIT Madras. They also got placed in very good companies. They also finished their masters happily, because in fluid mechanics everything is common. They also done, have done their masters in CFD. And in fact, one of our IGC student is also in this applied mechanics masters in CFD. Though he was a mechanical student, I think 2018 batch. So that's what I suggest. So first, be specific to your area. Even you can do MS and Mtech research in other areas also, like energy sciences. So in those areas also, if you go for interviews, they will ask what you know. Okay, what you know. In energy sciences also, your the basic subjects will be these only: fluid mechanics, this fluid mechanics and thermodynamics. Okay, or something like you guys are aero guys, they may ask some questions from aerodynamics or gas dynamics. So can we apply more than one place? Yes. MS courses, yes, I think propulsion, thermodynamics you study, right? Abir, in civil also thermodynamics is there, right? In your basic thermodynamics is there or not? Abir, if you have studied, yeah, then tough. They may ask you. I'm not sure. You can check more. So that's how you have to check, do. So you apply, and MS or MTech research, there is no barrier. You can apply in as many colleges wherever you can, and you can apply in a particular college in many department. Okay. Thermo, I've done self study. Yeah, Abir, you are writing GATE exam, so you have studied all subjects. So you can apply and then check. So this is all. Now the references. Of course, you should see. None of the IIT professor refer DS Kumar, Bansal Kurmi, this that. You know, right? If you are not IGC student, you might have referred some Indian author book. You all may agree, right? So if you are IGC student, strictly we don't refer majority of the Indian author book apart from PK Nag or SK Som. So guys, make sure you read best textbook, because IIT professor doesn't keep also these kind of book, Kurmi, Ramamrutam, Das and all. Okay, or Bansal, this that. So please guys, don't refer such books. If you refer such books, your never concepts will be clear. Your direction will not be clear. Many problem will happen, though you may put effort. So please remove those books from your desk. First thing, if you are preparing for MS or MTech research, please keep away all those so-called Indian author book. Even Sadhu Singh, this Singh, that Singh, all. Okay, or even JBK Das, right? In Karnataka, many people follow that JBK Das. You all will be agree or not? Those are in Karnataka colleges or Bangalore colleges. Please don't refer. So, guys, here all the books are listed, and read these books. And you guys should at least judge what to read, what not to read, because you have prepared for GATE, right? So, we have to read books as per GATE syllabus. Yeah. So, you guys are clear with book part? And guys, here no not much of numerical practice required. Okay, solve, guys, at least look into solved example. Okay, but no unsolved questions practice. Okay, no other book is required. No, these are more than sufficient, even sometime more. but we emphasize to read these books. Okay, that's it. But you have to skip many things. Yeah, heat transfer little bit Sanjal. Again, Sanjal is the best book. You should know what is the type of heat transfer, right? At least there are two types, right? So like that, even in gate syllabus they have put heat transfer. One time they asked one question in gate aerospace. So that Sanjal book you can refer for basics. But since we are aero guys, first they will expect us to be good in fluid mechanics and thermo basics, not to that level. Okay, so guys, that's what. And again, it is not required to ask us what to read. You know already your gate syllabus, so you read according to that and skip all the advanced things or not necessary. Okay, uh, and you also guys look deep in derivation part, because in they ask in no IIT professor sometime to derive particular concepts. So derivation is important now, but in your gate it is not important. Gate exam they don't ask derivation, but now if you go for any interview they may ask. And again, there may be some written exam prior your interview for this Mtech or MS courses. So if you solve na those solved example after that concept reading, that will be more than enough. Okay, so like you can do. Now come to your IIT Kanpur written exam. So guys, we have already got multiple times feedback. IIT Kanpur written exam is bit tough. Okay, so they give lengthy questions. They give lengthy question. And one good thing I will tell, if you clear IIT Kanpur written, even if your rank is above 200, you'll get admission. Okay, you'll get admission in Mtech 2-year program. Okay, so IIT Kanpur gives the fair chance to everyone. Even you may not secured very good rank in GATE. Okay, not very good rank or good score. But if you called for IIT Kanpur written, and if you perform well in that return, you have fair chance to get Mtech 2-year program there. Because in fact in 2020 in IGC, from IGC our 4 students have cleared return. Okay, in 2020, in 2024 students cleared written, and the last rank was 163. In the same year I know one person above 200 rank also cleared IIT Kanpur written. Okay, so and in IIT Kanpur there are good number of seats for Mtech 2-year program. So guys, be ready for it. Now again, if you do this task na, refer these books and read well, you'll able to clear that written exam. That's Sayan, it will happen in month of May around. Yeah, we have done already last year. You guys go through those session, na? I already told to refer last year's post gate guidance session. There we have discussed already Kanpur written test. Mr. Sairam Krishna has discussed already. Okay, there will be question from mathematics also, like from complex variable and all. Okay, so I think is it fine, Mr. Arjun? And previous year, someone asked, sir, provide me previous time question. I think I am not having. Okay. Some time back, maybe 2 years back, someone has shared, but I am not having that collection. Okay. Kind of, but questions will be good and it will be lengthy. Does Mtech 2-year program need written test? And no, not only I told now in IIT Kanpur only that provision is there. Direct seats also based on written also. No, in written they don't ask derivation, but good lengthy questions like from vibration or from mathematics, from basic fluid mechanics, like that. Okay, yeah. So now this is clear. So let's move to next important thing. which is more of you will be looking, guys. What is the PSU jobs after GATE Aerospace? Okay, what are the PSU job? Or for IIT, if you are passing masters from IIT or you are aeronautical guy, what is the PSU jobs? Yeah. What is on in IIT Kanpur? The test is general or based on special? No, it's a general. It's a pure kind of mechanical, because mechanical people will also appear for that exam. So they will ask questions from mathematics, solid mechanics. Uh, I'm saying Akash again and again. They have two kind of intake. One is a direct to top rankers based on a particular gate score they select. Then remaining seats they take through written. So they give fair chances to both mechanical and aero guys. So they ask questions from mathematics, fluid mechanics, solid mechanics. Yeah, which books to refer for mathematics? I will say always Irvin Krajcik. But you can refer any book which is flawless. No, now Gravel forget. Those are just problem-oriented book, Shreya. To learn concepts, you should not refer. You can refer any IIT professor lecture series in better than that. Yeah, I will discuss now that all. Okay, what is that? Yeah, so that's one thing discuss, right? Kanpur written is clear. What to prepare? So you have to prepare basic subjects. Clear to everyone? Like common subjects between Aero and Mac, you have to prepare for IIT Kanpur written. Okay, now come to these jobs. Okay. You guys can that space sciences is more of that, na? Space technology, space sciences. If they have introduced, then you guys opt with both the ends. Now, I'm saying, guys, get in IIT. With IIT degree, you can do anything. You can land anywhere. Okay. Get IIT degree. If you're getting in that course, I'm more than happy. Yeah. IIT, do you have put more efforts on flight mechanics? Written, no. For IIT Kanpur, written flight mechanics is not much required. Written is based on pure common aeromech. But in IIT Kanpur, academic is tough. They have CGPA concepts of like 6, 8, 10. So they are tough. Like maintaining good CGPA that Sairam has discussed last time. Yeah. Now come to these jobs part. So currently, what PSU jobs for aero guys you can have? You can get in DRDO, but again every year they are not putting smooth these openings, but it is purely on gate score. Okay. DRDO is still, last year interview is pending. There were good number of vacancies and they called for interviews. Some from IGC, some 7, 8 students are appearing, but they postponed. Still, new date has not come. Last year May, that April end or May they have postponed. Yet no new date. So DRDO hires, ADA hires, of course. Yes, from IGC we have got people in DRDO already. This NL you can get after masters, your masters, after completing your masters, but very rare opportunity or very less openings they give. But there are positions like JRF position, or if you are getting, can get as a project and all. So there are kind of jobs in NL. Yeah, in ISRO lateral entries are there with masters. Okay, especially in propulsion. I've seen post in structures also there are openings with masters. Okay, in ISRO. At BTech level, you have to clear that. I think ICBRB exam they call. ISRO conduct their own exam, but it need to be written in mechanical stream. Now come to HL. There is no recruitment in HL. ISRO for aerodynamics, like in propulsion, I have seen jobs. I'm not sure about aerodynamics. Of course, aerodynamics will be there. The CFD has to be done a lot of, right? So, no, ICRB is not there for Mtech graduates. You can write, nobody stop you writing ICRB if your age criteria is matching, but it is not master's level recruitment. Master's level recruitment, I have seen it's a lateral recruitment, okay, in VSSC, in propulsion structures. Okay, yeah, so that's what. Now come to HL. HL don't hire through gate. They started in between through gate, now they stop. They take their own exam. You know, DTMT exam. Okay, so DTMT exams and DT exams already from last 2 years they are putting. Yes, lateral entry is there. I'll try to find out those recruitment notification again. So in lateral entry, like you need to be masters from a good institute, and then they will call, they will shortlist for interview, and if you get select, uh, then that's like recruitment. Like it's more of like private company recruitment. Okay, based on requirement they have. Now the new openings are coming nowadays in Bharat Electronics Limited, and you all know the recently one of IGC student got in bail, and last year also they gave good number of temporary post. Okay, good number of temporary posts in bail. So there were 14 posts, and I heard internally they are building one division on flight physics because they work on lot of project, for ISRO and DRDO, and now lot much of UAV, drone, these works are there, right? In India, many drone companies are coming, including government like these organizations are working on drone technology or unmanned aerial vehicle. So these are the new area. So you guys can expect a good number of jobs in future in BEL or related companies. Yeah. What is that? B graduate recruitment is there in ISO. Yes, it is there through mechanical stream. You have to write your entrance like ISR exam in Mac paper. When next recruitment comes, IGC will provide complete support. Okay. When next recruitment comes, all to you IGC student, we will provide. Okay. Already we are creating a complete content, brief content for this ISRO kind of exam for mechanical stream this year. It's a freely available on YouTube. Okay. So we will see when notification comes. We will guide you. We will provide classes also where we will solve previous year's ISRO questions. Okay. Yeah. So let's move now. Any other doubt or concern on this part, guys? Okay. So let's move. Now, one more thing you guys keep doing. You guys keep going through these websites. Okay. Okay. These websites because sometimes even uh, nobody will be aware when they are putting posts, especially this many people will not be aware about frequent job opening. So you guys be keep going through this DRDO recruitment notification, NL. Anyway, mostly will able to know, but still this bail recruitment and all. So these are the possible places in future you can get job with your aerospace, BTech masters. Yeah. Yeah, that is also Ayush. It depends on the gate score. In general, you need to have above kind of 800 gate score to get call for DRDO or ADA. And with OBC, it's like cut off 700 or 750. Yeah, I think Naveen sir should be there. He may tell more on that. we will discuss. Naveen sir, are you there? One moment, I need to
Dinesh,
allow.
sir, yes.
Yeah, so we will discuss. You can
Uh,
provide little more insight once. Like
mhm,
I will just finish this now.
mhm.
Yeah. So these are about this part, and the last part, which is again very important for all of you, is this. This is very very important, guys. If you are in case not taking admission anywhere, if you are not taking admission, at least guys use your gate score or your knowledge to get this kind of work, research associate or project associate or JRF position at these places like IIC Bangalore, IIT Bombay, mainly IIT Madras or IIT Kanpur, or in fact in IIT Kharagpur also, or in IIT Delhi also. Any IIT you can get these position. Okay, you can say it's not easy to get, but still if you try you will get it. Okay, so they pay good also. Sir, what about teaching assistantship in IIT Bombay? Cutoff is 500 gate score. Yeah, they may not pay you first 6 months in IIT Madras also. First 6 months they may not pay you stipend, but to get in IIT you don't worry about stipend. Okay, first get in IIT. So after 6 months, if you perform well, if your CGPA is well, they will provide. In IIT Madras, I know. I'm not sure about IIT Bombay, what rules they have. Okay, so this is what the last thing which I will say. If you have valid gate score, directly visit ISC, IIT Karak, whichever city you are. Like Bangalorean can go to ISC Bangalore, Chennai people go to IIT Madras, Bombay or Pune nearby people go to IIT Bombay, IIT Delhi. Visit, try to find out some people, try to make them good friend. Okay, once you go department, meet people, uh, discuss something, or if you already know some people there, many IGCNs are there, your senior may be there in any of these premium institute. Just request them, they will be knowing under which professor there can be an option, or you can support many times to PhD, pursuing PhD people. Okay, they will give you good knowledge. After working 1 or 2 months, you may get some kind of funding also, like payment. So like that you have to build. Simply sitting at home and don't say I will get next time top 10 rank. What Naveen sir you say on this? I will not suggest at all, guys. This is a completely out of uh, scope. Any valid gate score, Puneet. I have told now, you join state government college. Nobody stop you. My friends have done, and now they are in even government job. One of my friend joined government engineering college in Bikaner in Rajasthan. Now he's in working in one of the government job. I have seen many successes. See, it's and you how sincerely you do your masters, and after that also how you put your efforts. Of course, there can be struggle in first job. Once you get first job, then there is no problem. Naveen sir, you agree or not? Yeah, clear guys. So any other question, Naveen sir? Yeah, SOP part is also discussed, not for Mtech course 2 year program is not that. Yeah, I will unmute sir. Yeah, I think, yeah. So I'll do that part. I'll just close this presentation. So I think we have discussed all important things. These are the contact details of IGC. So anyone who may watch on YouTube can contact us for any other support. Thank you, guys. So we'll just close and now we will discuss all the. Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes, Dinesh sir. First of all, congratulations to everyone, whoever got good rank, and all the best whoever will join IGC for our next session. So, congratulations to Dinesh sir and IGC team. It's a great success actually. From
So
crash course also, we got a good rank, right?
yeah,
Five
last
to
year
six.
also we had very good result, 36 in top 100, including AR 123. This year
Uh,
also result is good, but it's still not satisfactory for Team IGC.
Correct.
We should do more because once we achieve one landmark, we should try next. So next year definitely we will. So again, congratulations to you all. And Shreya, this year we are not sure who have done. I don't know personally. If I come to know, I will share with you all. Um, from IGC, best rank is 4. So, sir, Naveen, sir, what you can want to suggest, please suggest to these guys, uh, and they can ask anything from
Yeah,
it.
yes. Actually, whatever is to be covered, you already covered all the part. That is nothing left for me.
Yeah,
So if anybody asks any question that I can help in
yeah.
that.
A little bit you can tell on that one thing like DRDO cutoff from your previous experience, like for there are many people who have got very good gate score. So, what is the
Mm-hmm.
cutoff for OBC in general, EWS or
Oh,
OBC?
okay. That cutoff was around 600 for
Oh,
OBC. Uh,
OBC 600.
OBC 600, and for general it was around 700 like that. But
Oh,
again, that depends on interview also. If
yes.
you are not selected in interview, if you are not recommended in the interview, that gate score is nothing. Uh, right.
Yeah,
First
yeah.
of all, yes. First criteria is you should have valid you should clear the cutoff. Then they
Mm-hmm.
will call for the interview. Then
Mm-hmm.
you should they should recommend. Then that 80-20 criteria will be applicable. That's the
Yes.
first thing you have to make sure.
Yes.
Most of them, like most of you, like got good score under 50 rank. If you are getting good
Mm-hmm.
score, you are getting above 700. Then there
Mm-hmm.
is a, definitely there is chance. But that
Mm-hmm.
also depends on the number of vacancies they are giving.
Yeah, yeah. Put it.
Yeah. Ah, ah. So I hope this year and next year they will fill almost 10 vacancies they will put.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, yeah.
Sure. And what about that previous vacancies? Those are on hold or what? They are not calling again new interview?
No, no, that will come. That is on hold only.
Yeah, okay.
They will call for the interview.
Yeah, fine. Now one more question, like for SC/ST category, any idea what is the usual cutoff in DRDO interview?
SC/ST category, I'm not sure.
Okay.
I haven't checked
Yeah,
before.
you might not have met any
Uh,
particular
uh,
category.
uh, uh.
Yeah. So I think Venkatesh, that is, we are not exactly sure on that. Yeah.
Hmm.
Now one more thing, like you can share, ki, like even after spending 1 year in DIIT, how IIT was fruitful, or how simply sitting at home, instead of sitting at home, you joined DIIT, how it was fruitful. So that because
EWS category, it was around like equivalent to OBC only. Last to last year, it was like that. EWS category. I'm not sure about SC category, but I can tell this EWS category. That was around equal to OBC category.
yeah, that's what EWS and OBC more of I am seeing even in admission part also. They goes
In
hands
admission
on.
part also it is.
Yeah. Yes. So any other any other question, guys? Yeah, he
But if
is
you are
asked.
having EWS category means there is a chance of getting instead of getting in OBC category. I feel like EWS category will be more beneficial if you're having because there won't be many. If we'll see in aerospace only.
Hmm. That's good. Sir, one question is there. Sir,
Hmm.
your experience in DIIT and how you switched to IIT Kharagpur. The same gate score, right? Next year the
Same
gate
gate score.
score went down.
Same gate score it was there. So first I joined DIT. I was there 1 year. At that time they were asking for the like guided missile and UAV. I don't know now. I heard from you only. Like they haven't. They are not calling for the guided missile and UAV for the civilians.
Oh, no, no, no. I think still people can do that course.
Okay.
But
Okay.
we don't
Okay.
suggest that course, sir. We suggest mathematics
Okay. That.
department.
Correct. Correct. Okay.
Hmm.
Right. Right.
Yeah. And now this data science cutoff, that science, as I told now, in CCMT portal, it will be available if they have taken admission through that last time. Yeah. So, yeah, MS research CGPA sometime academics are important, Arjun. In MS research, many things play in role. It's not that straightforward admission. Academic, your temperament, when you go for interview, there we will have a separate session. How to prepare for interview, and that one session we will discuss. No, 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 no. They will not release. All IITs will not release. It's again individual IIT. They release cutoff. Some may not. Achilles. They all IITs want to. Some IIT like IIT Bombay cutoff we can see, but IIT Madras not. So earlier days, it I am not sure now, but yeah. Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Yes. So some questions are there. COF. What is my senior is doing guided. Yeah, Karan, but
Okay.
scope is not that great because DRDO is not hiring, right, sir, for guided missile and UAV courses, sir. In 2014, they stopped, right, sir?
Correct.
Hiring. Yeah. Any good internship suggestion for third year student? Yes, definitely, Vidhi. You try to contact in IITs and ISC. You'll get it. My Bangalore students get ISC Bangalore easily. They simply roam there or not sure, sir. I don't know. RV college student, RV college guys are there, na? They will get, sir, there. So why not you, Vidhi? You have to approach multiple times, multiple professors, or if you know any senior over there. Vidhi, you are from RTU, right? You try to get in touch with your senior or super senior through that, or but are there. I've seen. Oh,
Seen.
Chandigarh University, right? Vidhi?
Hmm.
Yeah, so but you have to get through your HOD or someone recommendations would be there. Sometime direct professor allow. I have seen PEG guys doing internship in IIT Madras. Even IIEST guy also do in ISC Bangalore many places. That will help you. Your gate score will help you. You have to contact through their website, na? Individual professor. Sometimes they put on their website itself internship positions. Naveen sir, what course you opted in DIIT when you were there earlier?
DIT, I was there in like guided missile only,
Oh,
but I
guided.
left after 1 year. Yeah, this is sure. There is a less chance of getting good
Jobs are not there, sir.
jobs in guided missile because that is again narrow field only.
Yeah.
Again, yeah.
No, nobody do in India other than government people.
That's correct.
But I don't suggest, sir, those courses. I don't
Correct, correct. That I agree with that.
Mm. Because
That
mathematical simulation, na, again, you can do CFD, FEA, or AIML. This, so I suggest that mathematics department only, sir, because they
correct.
take. Yeah.
If you're not doing anything like sitting idle at home, you can go DIT. That's not a
Ah,
problem. There you will get a chance like you can study more and more about your again you can write gate. That's what
yes.
you will get the time. proper time, and you can do according to your convenience.
Hey, don't do this now. All IITs are good, Karan.
Hmm.
Don't
All
come to one
IITs are
IIT.
good. Any IIT you can choose.
Don't do this thing. At least one thing which we suggest, if you are in research course and you are not finding that interesting, and if you are getting Mtech 2-year program admission, that time only you go. And that too, if so, don't be, so
There
crazy.
sometimes somebody get some other department in IIT Kharagpur or something. Then next year they are getting IIT Kanpur in aerospace or something like that. There is a different chance, different
No, that is also
thing.
not recommended, sir.
That is also not recommended, correct? Because 1 year also
Only,
matters.
only tier 2 college, if you are in tier 2 college, any
Yeah,
chance of,
IIT KGP,
you
there
will
is
get
a
it, Sayan.
too much chance.
You have a good AR 73, you'll get IIT KGP, not less.
IIT KGP definitely 73 if you are having rank,
His
definitely you'll
gate
get.
score is also 600 plus. Yeah.
Aram se, definitely you'll
DIT,
get.
yes, Pune, you will get Ruby, 560
DIT
score.
Pune 560 score you will get. DIT Pune
And
definitely 560 if you are okay.
Aram se, sir, I have seen
Aram se. That's definitely they'll get.
I use 599 is very good gate score. In fact, you'll get in IIT mostly. In general, also
387.
possibilities there.
603 Karan, that 113 rank, definitely you'll
Yeah,
get
yeah.
good score only.
He is a general, bit skeptical because sometimes what happened na, after
You have to
90
wait till the
last round. Yeah,
last
yeah,
round. You have to wait,
yeah.
but
Yes.
there is a chance you will get it.
Yes, Naveen, chances are there, but
Hmm.
you all have to wait till the last round. Sometime na people
Correct.
will not be sir, that much patience. Some people lose patience till waiting last round. General EWS no problem till 120 rank around. Mir you can check online what is the criteria and all. Not NUS, at NU what is NTU. Aram se DIT 450, yes, OBC. You should. Up to 300 ranker we have seen. 519 score
EWS
in
chance is there.
EWS.
EWS
Not safe. Arjun,
not safe.
519 score is not safe either in
Hmm.
OBC or EWS.
Hmm.
550 plus is good score.
Hmm.
In ISC, tough. Mr. Bhargav, ISC tough. IIT Bombay, yes.
IISc not tough. Actually, no chance. You'll see.
हाँ IIT KGB आराम से आयुष बोराल.
आराम से definitely you'll get 690. Even in second round itself, you can get.
Even OBC will not get ISC. IIT Bombay will get.
I OBC also won't get.
390,
339.
339, not upon AR. You share your gate score. General, no way for IIT Mtech. MS can be that too, depends on you
Score
get call or not.
742 definitely you'll get. Kanpur also you'll get. Bombay notes,
Rank 32 gate
Madras.
score. Yeah, Akash, 1 point. Since your mother branch is mechanical, you may get trouble in admission. Because last year I've seen one AR 47, he wasted 1 year. Simply over smart, he has not applied at many places. So Akash, I'm saying with concern. Your mother branch is mechanical. So please don't take risk. Apply at enough places. At least 6, 7 institute you should apply.
Yeah. Yes, correct. Because there are limited vacancy for the different branches.
Yes. 465 score. Yeah, that's what Shivam I told now. All the options possible. Mtech 2 year in a premium institute, it will be tough, Shivam. You can, DIIT can be option because even IIST cutoff goes high. So DIIT is one option and try with other. MS research, again, the problem is a call. Call is the problem. Interview call will be a big deal if your gate score is less than 500. In general, it should be close to 550 or 600 nowadays. Yeah, 534 general IIT Mtech or MS can be possibility, Mr. Hemant. But again, you have to apply with all old IIT also, new IIT also. That is up to you. Computational sciences and all. You can try, you may get call also, Mtech research. Your gate score is good, Sayan. Definitely you will get call for a Mtech research program in ISC, in all department, wherever you apply. Bhargav, yes, Mtech research will be there for you, Bhargav, call will be there. But getting there is like your interview. Mtech research for general tough, 508 is tough. 647 is score, IIT Madras. Jai, OBC, what is your rank? 647, what is your rank? 647 gate score, what is the rank? Because AR 44 got 78 rank, tough. IIT Madras will be tough. Because still I think AR 44 got in IIT Madras. I have to check. I have all the list, last year's admission list, who got in
In
which
IIT
IIT.
Madras, I think it is not possible. 78 rank.
Tough. Yeah. Cutoff goes IIT Madras high. And they have less
79.
seats also, sir. For
Seat
MTech,
is very less as compared to IIT Bombay and Kharagpur.
Bombay or Kanpur,
Kharagpur,
because in
Kanpur,
IIT
seat is very
Madras,
less.
MS is more famous, sir.
MS
MS,
is more. But MS also doesn't depend on score. That depends on interview.
yes, sir. Yeah. So looking for propulsion in IIT, having gate score, yeah. Ayush Adhikari, quite possible. But you have to wait till last round for direct this 2-year program. For MTech research, you put efforts. You can get like Kanpur, Madras, or ISC Bangalore. Because the 599, you should get call. Winter tech, it will be lower. Some winter, it is possible. In ISC Bangalore also, because that time cutoff will not be high. Many people may not apply also, because people either opt some college or they start preparation again. Yes, Pawan, we have seen people get admission in winter. But we don't know cutoff and all, that depends on they call how many people. Possible, Mr. Shivam. This course is new, IIT Indore Space Sciences. Even so, apply there. And even one course which I will suggest to many of you, those who are having less gate score in general, please apply IIT Guwahati Rural Technology or IIT Bombay Rural Technology. I have seen one guy with 404 gate score last year, got in IIT Guwahati. Life is superb in IIT, any IIT. So those who are having less gate score, they can apply in rural technology, nanosciences, material department. What you suggest, right, sir? Naveen sir, that
Yes,
material, yeah,
correct.
or coral department in IIT Kharagpur also, coral sciences,
Coral chance is there.
Earth science
Earth
and
science.
coral science, yeah. Mir, yes, you can apply in those department. Rural technology, you can apply. Last year, yeah. Nothing. I think that admission was direct. Interview means what? They may ask something, you read, I have so much interest about rural, right? I am from rural India. Like that, you make some story. What you say, sir? They may
Ah,
ask some basic
some
mathematical kind
basic
of
only they
questions.
will ask. In any
Yeah.
interview, I'll suggest basic only
Yes.
because so they will start from basic only.
Yeah. First thing they
Like,
will ask, why you want to join this course, and
correct,
then some basics.
correct. Basic and they can relate with
Mtech, not
some
MS.
practical problem also.
That yes, 404 gate score is a Mtech 2-year program. IIT Guwahati. Okay. Any other question, guys? Any more question? I think we have spent more than 1.5. Yeah. 184. Is there any chance in any round? Yes, Samarth. Even 195 ranker got in IIT Bombay. Sport round till. There are chances. But sometime what happened now, you're not able to take risk. Because in COAP portal, you'll only get 2 chance to retain. You have to face them. So again, it's tricky. IIT Kanpur written for Mtech is through direct application. No, COAP. Written offer will also come through COAP only. Like Mtech 2 year means through COAP only. Next year, I think which institute that I will tell. That is like every year they have the fixed pattern. Which institute will take it? I have to check. Any NIT for OBC, I think tough, Vishal, because in NIT now courses are mechanical, and there are many mechanical people, so they
Correct,
have
correct.
high gate score.
Too
It
much
will be
competition is
tough.
there.
Yeah, use in NIT cutoffs are quite high always. So you have to take state government college only. Vishal, I will say, you prepare for gate again, but don't sit at home. Get 12,400. Naveen sir, I'm very, on this. Why you
Hmm.
are gate score
Correct, correct.
again? Yeah.
Should not waste at home. That's what, because next year you don't know how the paper will react and
Hmm.
how your condition
Yes.
would be there.
Yes.
So
Yes.
you should
Yes.
not waste your time fully like,
No. 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 Shreya, don't affect. Which institute organize gate? It won't affect gate paper. No. For every gate paper, there are certain professors will be there across IITs. They set paper. It is not. Institute organizing will do admin formalities like giving you admit card, making your center ready, those things. Tiny possible core MTech MSET with general tough. You have to try. No, Shreya, this year, don't write gate XC. I will not suggest now gate XC paper anymore. No use. Even you get more marks, your gate score is less. Sir, you know what
hmm.
happened, Naveen sir?
Ah,
Nowadays, in gate XE, if you get 57 marks, your gate
hmm.
score will be 550. Earlier
Oh,
days, in gate XE with 57 marks, you'll get top 10 rank. Because
oh.
now two paper concept is there now. So all
Ah,
mechanical people get ACS.
correct, 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 correct. Score won't
You
be high.
know, the AR1, I have seen today, the scorecard of AR1 in gate XE sir got 91 marks.
Hmm.
And our
91
earlier days,
marks.
ASI student will get AR1 in XC paper easily. Earlier
Oh,
days, just
ah, ah.
studying 2-3 paper only, sir.
Ah,
I have
correct,
seen.
correct.
Now, no use. Till what rank we can expect direct admission in IIT Kanpur?
But direct
Maybe.
admission is not there, na? They will just.
No, Kanpur it is there, sir. Top
It is
rankers
there,
they
huh?
give. Yeah,
Okay, okay.
some 20-30 rank till.
Okay,
They
but
may
for
be giving.
okay, without interview.
Yeah, without return.
Oh,
Maybe
great.
some particular gate score, 800 something they will be making, but they give.
Mm-hmm. Okay, okay, okay.
Already Shivam, I told which all places. 465 means tier 3 only will come, tier 2 and tier 3. Shivam. With research courses, yeah, different department. Everything is worth when it is done with a good intention, but it depends. Yeah, NM
Yes.
480 score. Why, Vishal, what you will use? There is no use of that. You have much higher gate score in aerospace. That is a simply beautiful rank. No use. You write in your CV your rank for always. Got now, Vishal, my point. That is beautiful rank only, no use. Yeah, after scorecard provided, only we can.
Yes,
Yes.
directly COP only.
Yeah. Okay. Any other question, guys? Okay, then, sir. I think we have spent enough time for today.
Ah, yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes.
So we will meet these guys later for another. So thank you all for joining this session. All the best. Congratulations, guys. And not to
Congratulations
worry.
to everyone.
Yeah, IGC
And
is
Dinesh sir.
there to support for that. Congratulations. Thank you all. Bye. Good night.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir, for spending this much time. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.